Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amber if you don't already know me. And so today, I'm really excited about this video. I'm about to film my first workout vlog, and I've been wanting to do this for the longest time because this is what I want my YouTube channel to be, like all workouts and stuff. And I'm here with my friend, Chill. She's gonna help me film. Hi guys, she's so cute. So we're gonna be vlogging my workout, and I decided to do a quad and like lower body focused workout, mainly quads. So we're gonna jump into that now. You know it's gonna be a good workout when a girl ties her hair. Goblet squats, I do 3 to 4 sets, usually 4, and I do 10 to 12 reps. So we're gonna do that now. Keep my legs like outwards, toes pointed outwards, and then when I pick up the dumbbell, I put it up here, and I squat, and then I get like really low so I can get more of a lower stretch. Dumbbell to my chest, and I squat, and I wear the resistance band for more tension on my quads and then also I superset it with no weight, just squatting with the resistance band. So I do around 4 sets. So I do 2 with the dumbbell and then 2 without the dumbbell, and like 12 to 15 reps. We're almost done. Wait, my legs look skinny. Okay, so I'm just doing a normal leg press. Some people have it like seated or sitting down. It doesn't really matter. Same thing as long as you're keeping a narrow stance. This machine's like really freaking ancient, so it's probably gonna break on me, but it's okay. So next I do lunges, and when I do them, I go outwards, so then I'm hitting like this one. And then I superset that, it's really quiet in here, I superset that with front squats, because those really hit your fucking quads. Okay, so you just, I'll show you how I do those now. extension. It's called Triple Sevens. My friend Brandon Hendrickson actually taught me how to do this. He won Mr. Olympia, by the way, so I know it works. This is a massive freaking quad. You extend it for, like, you go 7 times, and then the 7th one you hold for 7 seconds, and then you're doing 7 sets of it, so triple sevens. One-legged lunges, so I put a leg up, and then I hold dumbbells. Right now I'm only doing 20 pounds, and then I lunge. I try to keep my legs closer together. The farther you keep them, I feel like it hits more like glute more, but if I do it closer, then it hits my quads. So, So that was my quad workout. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Super excited to put my first workout video up on YouTube, and I'll be putting out a lot more. Make sure you subscribe so you'll be able to see those. I really hope you guys got a little bit of motivation or inspiration from seeing this. Even if you don't go to the gym and you just were entertained, then cool. Or if you want to get into the gym, I hope you learned something and maybe you could try it out.
How's that?
I look like a mess.
Are you laughing?
She's so... Wait.
Bringing it down. And, oh no, that's not what I do.
And then,
No, they do look big.
now I broke a nail. We'll post the video in the locker room. Yeah, very good. Kidding, just look put together.